It's beautiful when the sun shines through them. Here's our harvest. The different varieties of tomatoes. The pink carneros is my favorite. The beautiful looking plums. The nectaplums. Nectaplum is a cross between plum and nectarine. This is nectarine. Here we have lemons. Different varieties of peppers. Calamansi. Donut peaches or southern peaches, the blueberries, and the green and yellow zucchini. We have peppers too. Okay, I'll continue harvesting this, and then after this, let's move on to the peppers. Next, let's harvest the peppers. We have some peppers that are ready. These are mild peppers like the shishito, the padron. This one is, let me check. This one is, we got most of this from the tomato mania or pepper mania. This is Purple Beauty. I'm not sure why it's not turning purple. Or maybe this is, this was mislabeled. Anyway, this one is shishito. And then this one is padron, the one we had in Barcelona, the one that we liked. And we have bell peppers. Those are bell peppers. So you have different varieties of peppers. I'm going to show you the grapes again. It's growing beautifully. Look at these grapes. They are almost, they're probably ready. I'll try. Look. Or I'll wait until they are like bigger. Beautiful. We have a lot of grapes growing over there, and the other one is changing color too, because this one stays green, the other one is like a blueberry grape, so it looks like blueberries, like purple blue. I'll just saute them in ponzu sauce. Look at this. Beautiful. And then moving on to the shishito. Oh, there's one more padron here. I'll wait until that is bigger. So this is the shishito. And then we have another one here, I'll show you. Here. Look at this. And here's our pepper harvest. Moving on to the calamansi. I just harvested calamansi yesterday. Now there are more that are ready. Our refreshing summer juice drink with blueberries, calamansi, and mint from the backyard garden. So I can make more calamansi juice. The more you harvest, the more they actually produce. So keep on harvesting. And here's a bowl of my calamansi harvest. Now let's move on to the nectaplum. Here is the nectaplum. Look at all those fruits. And then there too. Oh, it's on the neighbor's yard now. Oh my. And here too. This tree is loaded with fruits. This branch is being strained by these fruits because they are heavy. I'm going to give some to a friend, so I need to harvest more. I'm moving them to this baking bowl now, since we have a lot and I can harvest more. So here's our harvest. It's quite heavy now, so I need to offload. With a branch. We have corn here. Look at this corn. And then we have zucchini squash here. We have yellow and green zucchini. There are two that are ready too. This is ready. And then there's another green there. This one first. We can make baked zucchini with cheese and shrimp. That's my favorite zucchini recipe. 1 second. There you go. And this one. Look at this. And here are the zucchini harvest. Yellow and green zucchini. To our stash. Let's get more fruits. We have this one too. And here's the other grapes. It's on the... No, you're not ready for harvest. 1 second. Oops. Okay. What we harvested earlier are fruits from the nectaplum tree. This one is a nectarine. So that one is a cross between this and then look at this. I got one already from here. And then this is a plum tree. There are fruits. We already harvested a lot, and we bought 3 containers on our trip to Yosemite. These are my harvest from the tree behind me. These are plums, Santa Rosa plums. It's hard to, I'm holding the camera, it's hard to harvest with this, like fruit picker is heavy with the camera, and there you go. And we really like them when they're not like super ripe. And here's plum harvest. Let's add on to our stash the plum harvest. Now let's move on to the tomatoes. Those are not ready yet. The ones down here are ready. This is midnight snack, and this other one is, look at this beautiful tomatoes, sun gold. And then there's one here. This is sweet carneros pink. It's on the ground. I'm going to harvest this one. Sweet carneros pink. It's so beautiful. I'll show you. Look at the color. It's pink compared to this one. Like, see, this is like red. Oops. Sorry. This one is red. This one is pink. Okay, let's harvest the rest. They are beautiful, beautiful tomatoes. It's the midnight snack. This is sunchoke. Here are the tomatoes. Let's add the sunchoke here. There you go. Look at our tomatoes. Now let's have these tomatoes join the rest of our harvest. We have some donut peaches too. They are like very delicate. And we have the donut peaches here. Maybe let's harvest lemon too. Here's our harvest. The different varieties of tomatoes. The pink carneros is my favorite. The beautiful looking plums. The nectaplums. Nectaplum is a cross between plum and nectarine. This is nectarine. Here we have lemons, different varieties of peppers, calamansi, donut peaches or southern peaches, the blueberries, and the green and yellow zucchini.